In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your security on the web in Microsoft Edge. If you want to make your browsing experience in Microsoft Edge more secure, this is a simple setting worth turning on. It helps add extra protection while you're visiting websites, and Microsoft gives you a couple of protection levels to choose from, depending on how strict you want your browsing security to be. I'll walk you through exactly where to find it and what to look for. Start by opening Microsoft Edge on your PC. Once the browser is open, go to the top right corner of the window and click the three dots. This opens the main menu where Edge keeps many of its browser controls and settings. From that menu, select Settings. After the Settings page opens, look over to the left-hand side and click Privacy, Search, and Services. This section contains many of the browser's safety, privacy, and tracking-related options, so this is where you'll find the web security feature we need. Now, scroll down through the page until you reach the Security section. Take your time here, because there are several options on this page, and it can be easy to pass it if you're moving too quickly. Once you find Security, look for the option called Enhance Your Security on the Web. Turn that setting on. As soon as you enable it, Microsoft Edge will give you protection level choices. You can choose Balanced or Strict. Balanced is usually the best option for most people because it adds security while still keeping websites working smoothly in most cases. Strict offers stronger protection, but it may cause some sites to behave differently or limit certain website features. If you mostly want a good mix of safety and convenience, Balanced is a practical choice. If you prefer stronger protection and don't mind occasional website compatibility issues, you can choose Strict instead. After selecting your preferred level, the setting is active right away, so there's usually nothing else you need to save. That's all it takes to enable this feature in Microsoft Edge. If you ever notice that certain websites aren't working the way you expect after turning this on, you can always return to the same section and adjust the protection level. This makes it easy to find the right balance between stronger security and everyday browsing convenience. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Enhance Your Security on the web in Microsoft Edge and added an extra layer of protection to your browsing experience.